Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful tricolor motif which is titled 8 petal Gabrielle square. This comes under convertible crochet. First we make a circular motif and then that is getting converted into a square by placing the stitches on the right corners and creating the corners and placing the stitches. Okay. And this is when worked in tricolor, it gives a beautiful finish. It can be worked in mono solid colors too, but when you work it with 3 color combinations, it works out great and it can be used for any projects any colorful projects that we would like to. So let us go into the video without any further delay, friends. With color A, make a magic ring. Secure it, make a double crochet. One more double crochet, chain 5, 2 double crochets 7 times. Chain 5, 2 double crochets 7 times. Make 7 times. I shall also make 7 times and get back to you. We have come to the end of the round here. At the end of the round, we need to have 8 sets of 2 double crochets and 8 sets of chain 5s. So I have done the last chain 5, slip stitch to the very first stitch and join, secure it and fasten off. Now I'll be back with color B. With right side facing, join color B to any of the chain 5 groups, chain 5 spaces. Join with the slip stitch, secure it nicely. Now place a single crochet first into the same chain space, 1 half double, 1 double, 1 treble, for treble yarn over twice, chain 3, again the reverse, treble, double, half double and single. So in every chain 5 space, place these stitches, these group of stitches, single crochet, half double, double, treble, chain 3, treble, double, half double, single. So place these and then to go over to the next chain 1 and go over. Chain 1, again single crochet and continue placing the group of stitches in every chain 5 spaces. I shall place all the stitches. When I complete, I shall get back. We've come to the end of the round here. I've done my last single crochet. Now chain 1, slip stitch to the first single crochet that we did here and fasten this color off, and I shall be back with color C. With right side facing, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. With right side facing, join color C to any chain 3 spaces here, join with a slip stitch. Good. You should not be stingy with the yarn. Yes. Never be stingy with the tail ends. Now place a single crochet in the same chain space, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then place a double crochet not double, treble crochet in chain 1 space. This is the repeat for the row. So this I will hide it afterwards, absolutely no issues. Okay, so in the petal chain 3 space we are going to place a single crochet, chain 6, a treble in chain 1 space, again chain 6, single crochet, chain 6, treble. So continue this pattern all around. I shall complete and get back to you. I have come to the end of the round here and I have slip stitched with the first single crochet. I just need to slip stitch here, and then I have 16 chain 6 spaces. Okay, I'll have to divide it into 4 corners now. So I'm going to leave 1, 2, 3, and this is first corner, fourth one. 1, 2, 3, the second corner. 1, 2, 3, the third corner. Place your stitch markers, then you will not go wrong. And then 1, 2, 3, the fourth corner. Fine. Now we are going to work 5 single crochets in each of the chain 6 spaces on the sides, and in the corner we are going to place 3 single, chain 3, 3 single. So that is the stitch. I shall do one side and then go ahead completing the others. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are not placing any stitch in the trebles. Now we have come to the first corner. In this corner we are going to place 3 singles, chain 3, 3 singles. Remove the stitch marker. Now place again 5 singles in each of the next 3 6 chain spaces, and then corner, again 5 singles in each of the 3 chain 6 spaces, corner. Continue till the end. I shall meet you where I began here. Here we go. We have converted the 8 petal circular motif into a square now. For the next round I shall be back with color A and go about the stitches. Okay, let me get back to you with color A. Slip stitch to the first slip stitch here and first single crochet and fasten off, not the slip stitch. Okay, with right side facing and color A, join the yarn with the slip stitch to the first single crochet to the left of the corner. So you're not working in the corners right now, so you're going to join here in the first single crochet, any first single crochet, and you're going to work the double crochet rows here, rounds here. So you will place 1 double crochet each on each of the single crochets, but you will not place any stitches on the single crochets holding this chain 3. Okay, so now let us start placing. In the same stitch, place a double crochet or chain 3 and go ahead. So place 1 double crochet each till you reach the corner less 1 stitch, not the corner most single crochet. Just up to here you will place 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet each on each of the single crochets. We've reached the corner here, so we have 3 singles. Place 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 singles only, and directly jump over to the corner. In the corner, chain 3 space, make 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. Now when you go over to working the next side, you will not place any stitch on the very first single crochet. Now directly go over to the next one, the second one, place a double and 1 double in each of the next single crochets till you reach the next corner here up to this stitch. So the similar manner you work all the other rounds, other sides. I shall get back to you when I reach my corner here. We've come to the end of this round here. Now slip stitch and fasten off this color A. I shall be back with color B. Sorry, it has gone into some other loop. Yeah. Because I make my first double crochet, this first loop will be little tight. Okay, I shall be back with color B. With right side facing, join color B to any of the first stitches or on the sides, not the corner stitches, the first DC on the side, and this is a single crochet row. Place your first single crochet on the very first stitch where you have to slip stitched, and place 1 single crochet till you reach the corner, but don't work in the corner. I shall tell you what to do, how to go about it in the corner. I shall place 1 single crochet till this end and get back. So we've reached the corner. Place a single crochet in the first DC on the corner and directly jump over to the corner. You're not working on the DCs holding the chain 3 space. So place 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets in the corner. And then we're not working any stitch on the DC that is holding the chain 3. So in the next DC, 1 single crochet and continue this pattern, this stitch pattern on other sides too. I shall also complete the stitch pattern and get back to you. I've come to the end of the essay round with color B. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet and fasten this off. Okay, I shall be back with color C for the final round. Join color C with front side, right side facing. Join color C to any of the single crochets on the sides, any single crochet, it doesn't matter, and place a single crochet on the same stitch. One single crochet each on each of the single crochets till we reach the corner. In the corner, let me tell you how to go about. We've reached the corner here. We will work 1 single crochet in the first corner stitch and directly jump over to the chain space. In the chain space, we're going to place 2 singles and 2 chains and 2 singles, and we are not working on the single crochets that hold these 2 chains. Okay, so continue all around in this fashion and complete the square by slip stitching to the very first stitch and fastening off. I've placed my last single crochet of the last round here. Now it's time to make the invisible join and fasten off. Cut the yarn, pull the yarn out, skip the stitch and insert a hook from behind the next stitch under both the loops. Pick up this yarn, pull it out through that, and you're going to make a invisible join here by not working on the last stitch here, but inserting a hook from the last finished single crochet from back to front in the back loop. Pick up this yarn and pull through. You can also do this with tapestry needle. I find it convenient to work with my hook itself. So here we go. The join is not seen at all. So this type of joins will enhance the beauty of your work and neatness of your work. Here we go. We have the 8 petal, 8 pointed Gabrielle star. This also is a convertible crochet. We have converted this 8 pointed circular motif into a square motif. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you like this stitch and you can use it as per your wish in your projects. How you want to decorate your projects, you can use it. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share too. So I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video friends. Bye for now. Have a great day.